Okay, today I want to show you these headlights. They're for sure headlight set for my 2021 Ram truck. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending them to me. I've got both a high beam set and a low beam set on the box. The 9005 or the HB3 is the high beam, and the H11 is the low beam, and you can't mix them up. This one is the H11, the low beam. The plugs are really close together, and on the high beam, the plugs are wider apart, and you can see these go in and lock, and then there's a little pigtail that sticks out that you connect it with. There's details about their extended warranty and information you need in the book, but I'm excited to install these. And on this truck I need to take this top chrome piece off, the top plastic off, the grill off, and pull the headlights completely out to replace them. I don't have time today, but I wanted to tell you I got these and they look super good, and I'm super excited about them.